let's do some example problems. I am on page 488. Your assignment is to do numbers 1 through 32, all of them, so you're welcome to do them on your own, or I'll be doing some of the odd numbers here in the book. Number 1, name all of the following found in the figure using the letters D, E, and F. So the points would just be, well, this one's easy, D, E, and F. Remember, we name a point by using one capital letter. Number 3, let's name all of the planes. Well, there's only one plane here, and that's plane DEF. Excuse me, I forgot the word plane out in front. So that's plane DEF, or if you wanted to name it plane FED, you do whatever your little heart desires. Number 5, we've got a bunch of rays here. We've got ray DE. Remember to put your symbol above it. We've got ray ED. Remember, those two are not the same. Ray EF, ray FE, and ray FD, and ray DF. Hopefully you are getting the hang of this. Hopefully it's also review from previous years. Number 7, draw and label the following geometric figure. Well, what is number 7? That's the symbol for a line. So we have a line that's going to extend infinitely in both directions. We have the 2 points. This is named line FG. This would be how to draw and label this geometric figure. Moving on to page 489, let's take a look at number 9. Name a line that passes through point C. So the line has to go through point C. There's actually a couple of different answers you could have gotten. All it says is to name one, so one will be accepted. Line AB, that is on the same line that would go through point C. Line AC also goes through the point AC, of course. And line BC also goes through the point BC. Any one of those 3 lines would be accepted. Name 2 rays, number 11, with endpoint B. Now, we need 2 of them, and the endpoint has to be B. So the endpoint has to be point B. Ray BA and ray BC, those are your only 2 answers there. Number 13 says use the figure at the right, name the angle in 3 different ways. Name this angle in 3 different ways. Well, we know that an angle can be named with just one capital letter, angle Q. Or we can name this angle PQR, or angle RQP. Those are 3 different ways to name this angle. Could I name this angle PRQ or angle RPQ? Yes or no? No, I cannot. Why not? Because the vertex has to be in between the 2 points. The vertex can't be first or last unless you're just naming it according to its vertex. Number 15, it says to find the measure of the following angle. So you're going to need to use your protractor on 14, 15, and 16, as well as some of the other examples coming up. Number 15, first off, let me go ahead and classify what kind of angle this is. What kind of angle is this? It is acute because it's less than 90 degrees. And I will let you measure that on your own. I will take answers that are roughly 1, maybe 2 degrees off. So here's what you may need to do in your book. You may, so if this is the angle right here in the book, your protractor may be situated up here, and it may be a little harder to see, okay, where is that side of the angle actually pointing to which number? Here's what you do. Get a ruler out and just extend that side of your angle. Now you can find where that angle would hit on the protractor. I would highly advise you to do that. Again, I'll be counting these within 1 to 2 degrees off when we check homework. Number 17, draw an acute angle and express each angle's measure in proper notation. So I need an acute angle. I just need something that is less than 90 degrees, and then I need to measure this. So I wonder if I can eventually pull out a protractor. Sometimes they'll have it, but anyways, I would pull out my protractor and I notice, okay, this is a 45-degree angle. That's what they're wanting you to do for numbers 17 through 20. Let's go ahead and, number 19, that one's easy. Draw a straight line. Get your ruler out so that it is straight. I need a point right there in the middle though. It doesn't say to label it, but if you want to label your angles, that would be perfectly fine. This would be angle Y, and a straight angle would measure 180 degrees. Number 21, angle DAE, find the measure using a protractor. Again, you'll need to do 21 through 24, so let me go ahead and just erase this one, and let's move down to number... Make sure on numbers 21 through 24 that you rotate the book so that you line up your protractor carefully and accurately. Number 25, let's move down to that one. Write an equation to find the missing angle measurement, and then we also need to classify its angle measure. So, the measurement of angle DPA. Well, notice angle, excuse my voice. Notice angle DPE. What kind of angle is angle DPE? Well, it's a right angle. What kind of angle is angle APE? It's a straight angle. So the measurement of angle, we're looking for angle DPA. If I know that the measurement of angle DPA and the measurement of angle DPE, which is 90 degrees, if that's a straight angle, then that's going to be 180 degrees. What is the measurement of angle DPA? Hopefully you got 90 degrees as well. If you will circle answers like this, that will also help me, especially if you're doing an equation. Of course, circle it a little bit better than what I did, but that will help me to find the answers when I'm grading your homework. Number 27. What is the measurement of angle CPD? Well, we just found out that angle DPA is 90 degrees. Therefore, all of the angles inside of that 90-degree angle must add up to 90 degrees, correct? So, measurement of angle APB, that's 27 degrees. The measurement of angle actually, you know what? We don't have to use that, 27 degrees. We can just look at angle CPA. Are y'all with me? Angle CPA. That whole angle measurement is 67 degrees, correct? Well, angle CPA plus angle DPC will get me the whole measurement of angle DPA. Well, what is angle DPA? 90 degrees. Can I find my missing angle measurement of angle DPC? Yes, I can. Subtract 67 from both sides, and the measurement of angle DPC is equal to, what is that? 23 degrees is your answer. All right, number 29. Okay, first off, directions. How many lines can be drawn to connect the following? Any two lines is what it's referring to of 3 points that are not on the same line. What does that mean? Well, I've got 3 points right here. Let's label those points A, B, and C. What did I just make? Well, I made a plane. Let's just review. I want to know how many lines can I draw through any two of these points without it being the same line. Well, I can draw a line from A to C. That's one line. I can draw a line from C to B. That's 2 lines. And I can draw a line from A to B. That's 3 lines that I've drawn. Is there anywhere else that I can take a point and draw a line to? And technically, if we're drawing lines, these are going to be extending out. But are there any more lines I can connect between 2 points without it being on the same line? No, there's not. So any 2 of 3 points that are not on the same line? Number 29, I can draw 3 lines. What about number 31? Any 2 of, now I've got 5 points. 5 points that I'm dealing with. How many lines can I draw through 5 points without it being the same line? Let's see. Let's go around. I got A to E. Ooh, that was really bad. Sorry, guys. A to E. You know what? Here we go. D to E. Well, I thought I was going to be able to draw a line there. Let's just go back to my ugly lines. I'll have to worry about that, figure that out later. E to D. C to D. B to C. A to B. All right, how many lines is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines so far. All right, what about a line from A to D? That's 6. What about a line from A to C? 7. What about a line from B to E? 8. B to D? 9. All right, you got one to B to C, one to B to A. What about C to A? Oh, we've already drawn that line. What about, oh, there's one to C to E. I can draw that one. C to D is already taken. So how many lines can we draw? How many lines can we draw between 5 points? 10. Now, as you can see, that would have been a beautiful star if they would have been perfect line segments. But anyways, use your imagination, ladies and gentlemen. All right, you have got the rest, numbers 1 through 32 all. Again, just because I did a bunch of these examples, these still need to be on your assignment, on your homework paper that you're going to turn in. But hopefully this was a help to you to get you started on our first lesson here. See you guys later.